today's video is basically just about how it is that I do my eyebrows at home with hair removal cream. It literally takes me like less than 5 minutes to do. I've tried to get everything in. I look crazy right now. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning back in. If you're new here, my name's Tashe. If you're already a subscriber, girl, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It's a new video on the channel. Give this video a thumbs up now before you continue to watch, and subscribe to the channel. Let's zoom you in. Oh my god, don't look so much into the lace. I haven't done my brows or anything for a while. It's been a long time. I'm slacking. Yes, I know, mind your own, but I'm gonna quickly like wipe my face down and prepare it for some hair removal cream that I am allergic to. I'm going to thoroughly just make sure that there's nothing in there. Ooh, you know. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a spoolie and I'm just gonna brush my hairs up and then shape them back into my brow. Again, don't look at the lace. We're gonna do that another time. We're gonna brush the brow hairs up. My eyebrows are actually just so complicated that I have been struggling with these for years. This is how I do my brows, especially in this, you know, cost of living crisis where I just don't want to spend so much money to get them done because it's like £10 now. I remember it was like £3. And then I'm just gonna shape it back into the brow like so. Ooh, that's perfect. I'm going to do them both at the same time because I like to map out my brow. I also like to make sure that they're both somewhat even to an extent. Now, to get the brows like absolutely perfect, I have to look in like straight ahead. I look in this mirror. I always have a favorite brow, and I think this is my favorite brow than this one. It's kind of awkward. Another thing that I do to like get the try and get the brow as perfect as possible is I will like use my iPhone and I will record, because when you record it's like it does that reverse thing and I'll be looking crazy in reverse, so I reversed it just to make sure that yeah, it looks somewhat decent. As you can see, I've kind of ruined my eyebrows over the years. You know, I have one less. Well, my eyebrows have always been like this, but I just try. I'm going to be using this Veet hair removal cream for my brows. I'll be using this Yono brush, any flat brush. I'm going to start off with underneath my eyebrows first. There are certain areas where I'm trying to grow out, so with this brow currently I'm trying to grow it out, so I'm not going to go too much as possible up, but I'm going to just leave it to just grow. Another thing is you need to be like really relaxed when you're doing your brows, because you're applying hair removal cream. You don't want to, you know, mash them up, so try to be as like, your face muscles need to be so relaxed. Another thing is, try not to be too perfect with this because you can only have this on for like 3 minutes maximum. Any longer than that, you're going to burn. Especially if you're gonna put makeup on after. Like, you have to move really fast with this product, so don't worry about not getting it perfect. You can always go back in with a tweezer. That is literally perfect. Before my camera dies, I'm gonna see if we can do the other eye. If it helps, try and join them together. That way you know that they're both straight. Try and look like straight ahead as you're doing this too. Do you see the reason why I use like a straight brush is because I can get the line straight just one time, not going over it. I'm gonna do my monobrow. I don't like going straight ahead because I want it to be like kind of messy at the front, so I literally just do the center. And to do the top, ooh. That is absolutely perfect. I'm going to do the same with the other eye. You should just have something like this. Another trick is to get your eyebrows like perfect. So you're looking straight ahead. I'm looking straight into my mirror. They look very beautiful. They look lovely. I'm happy with how I've shaped them. But if you look like down, you can see like it goes like this arch. I don't necessarily like that, so what I will do is I will bend my head down like so, relax my muscles, and I will just get rid of them, and if I need them I will just draw them on. I'm gonna wait like 30 to 60 seconds and then I'm gonna wipe this off. In the order that I place the hair removal in, I'm gonna wipe it off in that direction. You shouldn't really be doing this with hair removal cream. It's for like body parts and stuff, but it is what it is. If you wanna risk it, why not? Ooh, it's burning me. I'm actually allergic to hair removal cream, as you can see. Like, you're gonna see my skin rise, but I'm hoping that it won't be a big issue today. If it does rise, don't worry about it. In like a day or so, or in a few hours, it will go down. So it's not something that you have to worry about unless you have super sensitive skin. I'd say put ice on there too. That hurt. Can you see that? That's my hair. Ooh. As you can see, let me zoom in. I'm starting to bleed and cut. I have sensitive skin. Now that that's finished, if you feel bothered by like any of the leftover hairs that may be there, you can literally go with a tweezer. I like to like brush my hairs back up, and with any of like those hairs that are just out of place, I'm just gonna cut them off. There's not a lot. I'm not really two-faced today. I'm just gonna cut those little bits off here, and then I might just clean up a bit more underneath here with a tweezer. Always find it so difficult just to cut this side of my brow, especially on camera. As you can see, I kind of cut too much off. This is how I got this is how I shape my brows on a budget. Hair removal cream should be around like less than £5. This is gonna last so long. This probably lasts you like years. I had this for like since quarantine. Yeah, and I still have this. I was doing my eyebrows in quarantine, bro. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is how, again, I do my brows on a budget by myself at home. It takes like 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one.